Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. For returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you all. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to use an ashoke to achieve this gele, and it's not difficult at all. If you're able to follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you all today, you will definitely get it. So if you've been watching my previous videos, you'll discover that the first thing that I do is to fold the edges of my gele. You have to make sure that you fold the edges of the gele so that the front does not look rough when you place it on your head or that of your client or model. So after folding the edges of your gele, you have to make pleats. The number of pleats you make depends on how big or how small your gele is. So after making your pleats, you also have to take the gele, place it on her head from the back of her head to the front. This is very important because the beauty of this whole tutorial is going to be done at the front of her head. As we proceed, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So at this point, I'm just making pleats so that everything looks very clean and nicely done. The rule for this gele tutorial today is 60-40, so one hand has to be a little bit longer than the other hand. So at this point, I'm just going to hold the two hands of the gele, and then I'm going to twist them in opposite direction. Just follow it the way you can see me do in this video. I'm going to twist them in opposite direction. The hand that I am holding right now is the shorter hand, which is the 40 part of the gele. I'm just going to start making my pleats. So guys, once you're done making your pleats, you have to make sure that the 60 part of the gele is at the middle, while you take the 40 part of the gele round the 60 part of the gele. I do believe that with the video you guys can see and you can understand what I'm saying. As you can see from the video, the 60 part of the gele is at the middle, while the 40 part of the gele covers the 60 part of the gele. So I'm just going to take that part of the gele around, and I'll be using some pins while doing this. In this video, I did not hasten the speed at all because I wanted you guys to get every detail and every bit of what I am doing. So what you can see right now is just how the video was made. So many parts were not taken out of this video at all. So at this point, I'm just going to I'm going to make pleats with the 60 part of my gele, and I'm going to place it beside the 40 part of the gele. I believe with the video you can understand what I am doing. So I'm just going to take that round the 40 part of my gele. While doing this, you really do not have to take all the pleats all the way to the front of her head. You actually should leave some pleats so that it gives you a roll shape. just right there. Pinning this side of the gele is actually not necessary. It all depends on individual preference. I actually felt like I was going to achieve what I wanted more by pinning that side, but at the end of the day I removed the pin. So at this point I'm going to take the remaining pleats to the other side of her head, and I'm just going to pin it to the already made pleats. I'm going to pin it to the 40 part of the gele. So guys, this is what it should look like once you're done. I'm going to quickly show you guys what the back of the gele should also look like. You can either make the back of the gele a closed one or an open one. It all depends on how big or how small your gele is, but for me right now I'm going to close the back of the gele, and I'm going to be securing it with some pins. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post you get the notification and you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to check out my previous videos. I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.